We scored big, didn't we, Hank? Yeah. We went dumpster diving today. Look at this wood. Them are solid doors right there off some expensive cabinets. And it's pretty well shot. A lot of pieces missing. But they had good doors. Screen in that. That's all good. This is good wood. The bottom here, I think, is the only part that's press board. The rest of it, I think, is solid wood. It's got all the fixings on it. That'll be torn down, and we'll use that somewhere. You can bet on that. That's, you know, wood is spendy. So I'm gonna tear this. I couldn't lift. I had to have Spanky come and help me lift this in here, but I'm just gonna tear it apart in pieces, take it out, because I don't need the cabinet. It just take up too much room. Then we'll just pile the wood up and save it for something. You know, always building something. Ah, what a find! What a find! Even got crown molding. I think that's the top. I don't know how that works. Huh? We'll figure it out. And we'll take it apart.